Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. This is A. John Paul, lecturer in English of Sri Venkateswara Degree College of Arts and Science, Amalapuram, affiliated to Adhika Nandi University, Rajamahendravaram, who have been discussing about the first year, second semester, English subject. Already the previous classes are Google Meet or online YouTube classes. Discussed some important skills topics and like vocabulary building, classification of words, suffix and prefixes, conversion, compounding, analogy. These all topics are discussed. Now, in this class, we are going to another important topic, that is one word substitutes. This is the separate topic also. This is separate topic published in our syllabus also. Just here discuss just the purpose of ఇంప్రూవింగ్ ద వొకాబ్యులరీ బిల్డింగ్. ఇక్కడ వొకాబ్యులరీ బిల్డింగ్ పర్పస్లో మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఈ వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్స్ మీద సపరేట్గా మరలా చాలా డీటెయిల్డ్గా ఇంకో క్లాస్ చేస్తాను. జస్ట్ ఇది వొకాబ్యులరీ డెవలప్మెంట్లో ఒక టాపిక్గా మనం ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్లో మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇది. చూడొచ్చు మనం ఇక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ యాజ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ వర్డ్స్. ఇంగ్లీష్ యాజ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ వర్డ్స్ టు డిస్క్రైబ్ ప్రొఫెషన్స్. టు డిస్క్రైబ్ professions, traits of people, fears, emotions, etc. Traits of people, fears, emotions, etc. We inquire case of expression. If we know the right word for the right thought or deed, right word, right thought of deed. సింపుల్గా వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చెప్పాలంటే లాంగ్ సెంటెన్స్కి షార్ట్ ఫామ్ లేదా షార్ట్ వర్డ్ని వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్స్ అంటారు. లాంగ్ సెంటెన్స్కి షార్ట్, అది మీకు ఇక్కడ చెప్తాను. By using one word substitutes, we can clearly express our views and opinions without using lengthy and vague sentences and phrases. They economize our language and let social prestige. So here is the one word substitutes very important. Observe some of the important words are there. For example, a number of sheep is gathered one place is called one word substitutes. A number of sheep gathered one place is called flock antar. Flock, FLOC. That is one word substitute. Here are few one word substitutes is there. Anot cries, అది వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్స్. వన్ హూ ఈజ్ అవుట్ టు సబ్వెరెంట్ ఏ గవర్నమెంట్. కాన్వాలెసెంట్ means one who is recovering from illness. Omnipotent, one who is all powerful. Omnipresent, one who is present everywhere. Omniscient, one who knows everything. Bibliophile, one who loves books. Volunteer, one who works free. Bilingual, one who can speak two languages. Philanthropist, one who loves mankind. One who looks on the bright side of things, optimist. One who looks on the dark side of things, pessimist. These are few examples of one word substitutes. Misogynist, one who hates women. Egoist, one who thinks only of himself. Feminist, one who thinks only of welfare of women. ఇట్లా మనం చూసుకుంటూ పోతే ఇవి వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అంటే లాంగ్ లెందీ వర్డ్స్కి షార్ట్ వర్డ్ చెప్పడం అన్నమాట. సో మనం ఇవన్నీ డీటెయిల్గా వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ క్లాస్ చెప్పినప్పుడు చెప్తాను. సో ఫ్యూ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చూద్దాం. గివ్ వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్. An exact copy of writing, printing or a picture. Facsimile, a short speech at the beginning of a play or literary work. Epilogue, fluent in several languages. Polyglot, word for word. Verb-time, the plants and animals of a certain region. Flora, soil washed down and carried away by rivers. Allume, the dormant condition of certain animals and plants during winter. Hibernation. So next exercise, choose one word substitutes from the box for the following definitions. కింద 6 డెఫినేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దీనికి మనం కరెక్ట్గా చూజ్ చేయాలి. బాక్స్లో కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి. ఆర్బిట్రేటర్, గవర్నెస్, బిబ్లోఫిల్, ఇన్వాటర్, టీటోలర్, fatalist. A person appointed by parties to settle the disputes between them. Arbitrator, a great lover of books. Bibliophile, the person who never drinks alcohol. Teetotaler, totaler, a person who believes that all events are predetermined. Fatalist, someone who is the first to think of or make something. Inventor, a woman endued with the care and supervision of a child. Governess. Okay, so next choose the right alternative for each of definition. Hard to please. Fastidious, a remedy for all diseases. Anoxia, having a ready disposition to fight, bellicose, a small shop that sells fashionable clothes, customizes, etc. Boutique, incapable of being seen through, ubiquitous. These are some examples of one word substitutes. And the next important topic, words have been confused. Words have been confused. This is very important topic. The purpose of examination and ways to develop or improving the vocabulary building. What is the words have been confused? Confused words. The sometimes same pronunciation, spelling is different. Sometimes the same spelling, pronunciation is different. That is the words have been confused. So there are certain pairs or sets of words which are close in spelling, pronunciation or derivation. There are certain pairs or sets of words which are close in spelling, pronunciation or derivation. Some words in English are confusing due to their similarity in spelling and pronunciation. In spelling and pronunciation. For example, weak and weak, the same pronunciation, but spelling is different. That is the similarity. Some words in English are confusing due to their similarity in spelling and pronunciation, or close spelling or pronunciation or derivation. For example, weak and weak, soul and sail, right and right, May and May. One May is verb, another May is a month. These words are called homonyms. Homonyms. If we do not make the right choice when we use these words in a sentence, the meaning of the entire sentence is changed, or something the sentence becomes meaningless. These words causes confusing at times. Therefore, you must remember these words carefully and avoid confusing. Some words of this category with their users are given below. With their users are given below. So, if we don't make the right choice when we use these words in a sentence, the meaning of the entire sentence is changed. సో మనం ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్గా చూజ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఎంటైర్ మీనింగ్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది, స్పెల్లింగ్ చేంజ్ అయితే సమ్టైమ్స్ ద సెంటెన్స్ బికమ్స్ మీనింగ్లెస్. కొన్నిసార్లు పూర్తి అర్థాన్ని కోల్పోయే పరిస్థితి ఉంటుంది. అందుకే you must remember these words carefully, avoid confusion. So practice it. వీటిని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు, కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూసుకుంటూ వెళ్దాం. యాసెస్, యాక్సెస్, ద లిటిల్ బిట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్, నియర్ ద క్లోజ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ అండ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ ఆల్సో. One access, ACCESS means of approach or entry. సెంటెన్స్లో చూస్తే స్టూడెంట్ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ యాక్సెస్ టు గుడ్ బుక్స్. యాక్సెస్లో చూస్తే మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే యాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సీడింగ్ ద పర్మిటెడ్ లిమిట్స్. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సెంటెన్స్లో చూస్తే హీ డ్రంక్ ఇన్ యాక్సెస్ అండ్ కమిటెడ్ ద యాక్సిడెంట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ చూస్తే మనం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. సో కొన్ని ఈజీఎస్ట్ చూద్దాం మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి. ఏంజల్, ఏంజల్, ద క్లోజెస్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ బట్ డిఫరెంట్. అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ ANGEL, that is meaning of spiritual being or messenger of God. My mother is really an angel. Here a space between two lines that meet. ABD and DBC are adjacent angles. These are confusing words. Apprise, spelling is different. APPRAISE. It means estimate the value of. Other apprise, APPRISE. Make aware of or inform. So another one, band. One is BAN, band means group of musicians playing together. Next, band, something that joins or units. Next, besides, by or by the side of. Our house is beside the sea. Besides means in addition to. Block, 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 BLOK. Block means BLOCK, large building of offices or plots. BLOC, people or countries combined by a common interest. The developing countries formed into a bloc. Break, BREAK, BRAK. Separated into two or more pieces. When she dropped the teapot, it broke. BRAKE. Device for stopping a vehicle. Canon, general rule or principle. Every man should follow the canons of good conduct. CONNON, canon, large gun on wheels, in which Second World War cannons were wisely used. Canvas, 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 heavy coarse cloth used for tents. Other CANVAS means try to get votes or support. Next, cartoon, CRTON, Cast, COST, to play parts in a playoff film. CAST, one of the hereditary classes. City, site. QUOT, site. Place, PLEC. SIT, site. CIT, site, quite. SIGHT సైట్ ఎబిలిటీ టు సీ మూడు ఇక్కడ. కోర్స్ COURSE, it means series of lessons. COARSE, it means rough in structure. Classmastic. First one CLIMACTIC, most intense point. Second CLMATC, related to weather conditions. Next complement. COM PLIMENT, expressions of price. COM PLIMENT, expressions of price. COM PLEMENT, things that complete something. Crops, military unit. Cropsy, dead body. Die, stop to exist or functioning. DYE, dye, staining or color substance. Dairy, DIRY, dairy, place for the processing of milk. DIAR, diary, book for a record of daily events. The next one is air. HAIR, means thread-like growth on the skin. HEIR, high, person entitled to inherent property. Okay. In, inside. INNI, pub or small hotel. Material, mortal. Moral, concerned with the right and wrong. Mortal, subject to death. Object, OBJECT, physical thing. Object, ABJECT, utterly miserable. Pure, small opening. Pure, pure, rain heavily. Pray, PRY, pray, say prayers to God. Pray, pray. Animal killed for food by another animal. Statue, STATUE, large sculpture of a figure. Statue, written law. Sum, SOME, some. Unspecified quantity or number. SES, sum, total. Sell, SELL, exchange something for money. Cell, SELL, cell, a small room or compartment. Jealous, JEALOUS, means extremely eager or enthusiastic. Jealous, JEALOUS, and was. Alternative, continuous, continual. Continuous means continuing, continual means constant. Human, 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 humane. Human, considering of people, kinder, merciful. Imaginary, imaginative, existing only in the imagination. Imaginative, having, using imagination. Judicious, judicial. Judicious, well judged. Judicial, of or by a court or judge. Preposition, propositions. Preposition, a word used before a noun or pronoun. Proposition, offer or statement. Popular, populous. Widely liked and admired, popular, populous. Thickly populated. Beneficial, beneficent. Beneficial means useful. Beneficent means kind. Ancient, antiquate. Ancient means any old. Antiquity means old fashioned. Affect, affect. AFFECT, affect means to act. EFFECT means to bring about. Stationary, stationary. Stationary, STATIONARY, without movement. Stationary, STATIONERY, writing material. Already, already. ALREADY, already means previously. Already, ALLREADY, already ki, all are ready. Altogether, 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 entirely. Altogether, ALL, altogether, everyone together. Accept, accept, accept. Accept, ACCPT, agree. EXCEPT, not including. EXPECT, believe it to be. Expect, EXCERPT, a short exact form or a feeling. Course, course. COURSE, path of action. COARSE, rough. Next. Device, device. DEVICE, device, a piece of equipment. Device, DEVICE, to find a plan or method. Principal and principle. Principal is the head of the organization. Principal is the rule of RMR. Soul and soul. SOLE, soul single. SOULE, spiritual. These are the some confusable words. Do the exercise. Here is the exercise. Select an appropriate word for each of the following sentence from the given in brackets. The letter had already ALREA first be collected. Next, the material seems to be very coarse. Next, Rasagolla is a delicious dessert. First, I was not altogether second sure of my performance in the interview. Delhi is the capital, second, of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Everyone is prefers peace to war, second. The team's moral has been high since their victory in the last match. So next, consult a good dictionary to find the out of the meanings the following pairs of words and use they in your own sentences. Pairs ఉన్నాయి ఆల్రెడీ. ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో చాలా వరకు మీకు చెప్పాను. ఇవి డిక్షనరీ యూజ్ చేసి మీనింగ్స్ మనం రైట్. దీస్ ద వర్డ్స్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ టాపిక్. సో వొకాబులరీ బిల్డింగ్లో నెక్స్ట్కి మనం చూడవలసింది ఇక సినోనిమ్స్, యాంటోనిమ్స్, ఫ్రేజల్ వెర్బ్స్, ఇడియమ్స్, ఈ టాపిక్స్ 3 చూసుకుంటే మనకి నియర్లీ 10 టాపిక్స్లో వొకాబులరీ బిల్డింగ్ గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేసినట్టు అవుతాయి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ టాపిక్స్ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్తో మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. మీరు క్లాస్ విని చూస్తే మీకు క్లారిటీ వచ్చేస్తారు. ఓకేనండి. యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.